If you're looking for a big bunkhouse that your kids are going to fall in love with, then you got to check this one out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Got a special one for you today, standing inside the new Keystone Sprinter Limited 3810 QBS. That is the quad bunk room you see right behind me, and this one is incredible. Let me tell you that. It not only looks amazing, but your kids are going to love it. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below what you think of this floor plan, and let's get right into it. First and foremost, let's talk about the quad bunk room, a game changer for families. This room features 4 double over double bunks, providing ample space for the kids. It's all about giving them a comfortable and private space to relax and sleep during your RV adventures, and it does help that they're on the other side of the camper from you, giving you some privacy. Inside, you'll find vinyl flooring and blackout roller shades, but it doesn't stop there. The residential style screwed and glued cabinetry and Thomas Paine luxury collection furniture bring an unmatched level of luxury to your RV. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about feeling at home. The premium entertainment center with an HD LED TV and soundbar is perfect for movie nights, and the theater seating with USB charging, light, and massage is perfect for relaxing. And speaking of relaxation, the 5.5K BTU electric fireplace with thermostat control and remote provides both ambiance and warmth, making those chilly nights extra cozy. Keystone's Max Air Power Vent fan with a rain sensor is a game changer in terms of ventilation. Keeps your RV fresh and comfortable even on those warm days. And it has 3, yes, you heard that right, 3 ACs throughout. 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the living room, and 1 in the bunkhouse. Now let's not forget about the heart of every home, which is the kitchen. The 22-inch deep drawers with full extension, heavy-duty guides, solid surface countertops, and high-rise pull-out faucet make meal preparation a breeze. The 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator, oversized 30-inch microwave, and 3-burner cooktop offer the convenience of a modern kitchen. Now checking out the front of the RV, starting with the bathroom, the seamless single-piece press countertop and a large 40-inch by 30-inch shower with a glass door and G3 tile surround add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. The porcelain foot flush toilet is not just convenient, but also very easy to clean. In the bedroom, you'll enjoy a 70-inch by 80-inch king bed with gas strut storage, LED reading lights above the bed, and an upgraded bedspread. Plus, there's a TV hookup for all of your entertainment needs. It's also got a large wardrobe closet, and it is prepped and ready for a washer and dryer for extra convenience and to make it feel like home even more. Now let's step outside and take a look at what the exterior of this one has to offer. The exterior boasts a floor plan specific 100-inch wide body frame with full width outriggers and max turn technology with road armor. This not only ensures stability, but also allows for easy maneuverability, making it a breeze to tow. The dual layer insulation and thermal package are crucial for comfort, maintaining the interior temperature between 100 and 0 degrees. The heated and enclosed underbelly with Astro foil insulation keeps you warm in cold weather. The one-touch 4-point leveling system with return hookup memory simplifies your setup, and the Lippert solid step with an extra wide first step provides safe and convenient access. Heated pass-through storage with lockable slam latch baggage doors offers plenty of storage space. And for your outdoor enthusiasts, the outside mini fridge is a fantastic addition. You can keep your drinks and snacks cool without needing to go back into your RV. And we can't forget about the solar package on this one. This one comes with the Solar Flex Protect 220 package, featuring a 220 watt rooftop solar panel and a 30 amp 12 volt Victron Smart Solar MPPT controller with a Bluetooth app. This is perfect for trickle charging your battery on the go. In conclusion, the 3810 QBS is a great option for your family. It offers you a blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury that is second to none. And your kids are going to love the quad bunk room. It's not just about the features, it's about how it enhances your RV experience. And I guarantee you, your kids are going to love this one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. And leave a like if you will. If you like seeing videos like this, we got more 2024s coming your way. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you want to learn more about this floor plan or other models we have, make sure to check out premierrv.com or call the number on screen or come check us out in Bluegrass, Iowa, just outside of the Quad Cities in Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.